Hi, it's Tina and Tim, and this time I'm going to ask Tina a question going along the lines of assigned counsels and free counsel, which we call pro bono. Tina, is it required, let's say a person calls in and they don't meet the guideline to have a free attorney, but they're still just at that cusp and they say, well, aren't you supposed to do pro bono work?
Okay. Technically, we're encouraged to do pro bono work. So we get that question a lot when people call in, and basically because our focus on representing individuals is fathers, they ask, well, you're a father's rights attorney, so shouldn't you just represent me for free? Well, the answer is no. I'm a private pay attorney and I accept retainers, and it's at my discretion whether or not I feel your matter is worthy of me taking you on as a pro bono matter. So the answer is, it depends.